Hello, in front of me I've got Shadowverse. In this video I'll show you how to liquify cards. In the beginning, let's go to cards and again go to cards. Select liquify and now you can select auto-liquify extras or select manually. Here you can filter cards you would like to liquify or select it. In order to liquify, you have to obtain at least 3 cards from the one type. For liquifying cards, you will gain Veil. Thanks to Veil, you can create new cards. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.